So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, then type HP OfficeJet Pro 8535 all in one. Choose different OS. You have a different OS, so select this which is you are using, and if you have a different OS, so you can try to same installations method. So no worry about that, you just follow this method. So this is the HP easy start printer. This is required to internet. Okay, this is actually software. So the printer driver installed via this software. So just click to download it. But this is not required. I recommend you try to this one driver, proper driver, offline proper driver, include the all software and printers, scanners and all the in this included. You just single click to download. The downloading ready to start. After 4-5 minutes will complete. Next will be try to install this driver. So it is downloaded. Just open this setup. Now this is extract data to your system. Continue. So you can see the three type to install wireless, wire, USB. So if you know the printer IP, so you can select this. If this is wired and this is by USB, okay, you can detect it. Okay, then next install after restart your system and printer.